We're being warned tonight that the health of thousands of WA children could be at risk as our state grapples with a poor posture epidemic. Future generations are growing up with increasing neck and back problems brought on by too much gaming and mobile phone use.
Hey Sam, how are you doing?
Sam Cox paid a high price for his addiction to technology. His love of screens left his spine severely out of shape and in danger of ending up with a hunchback.
He sort of was 15 and growing, and he was going to grow in a shape of a question mark, essentially.
The now 20-year-old is one example of what chiropractors describe as an epidemic caused by our obsession with smartphones and game platforms. Spinal and neck problems are the most visible, but the problem runs much deeper, according to the people seeing more and more of it. Chiropractors like Paul Staerker say it's impacting on the way we breathe, and that can lead to memory loss, bad behaviour, a lack of energy and poor mental health.
If we're slouching, we're not breathing properly, so our lungs are compressed and our brain runs on glucose and oxygen. So if we're all crunched up, we are not oxygenating.
Sam Cox used to spend at least 3 hours a day gaming and used his mobile constantly.
I was very addicted and not really focused.
His mother says it was destroying his body.
He spent his entire time wizened up like a little old man. He just needed his Zimmer frame and he'd be right.
The Cox family stepped in before it was too late, using an hourglass to enforce a gaming time limit.
Now this should be used
And chiropractic sessions backed up by Pilates to build core strength.
We worked it into his program so that he would be able to, increase his exercise, and it had amazing results, really.
Chiropractors say the number of children seeking help for device-related neck problems has more than doubled in the past decade.
What we're seeing now is a whole generation of children who are growing up having been exposed to the technology from a very young age.
Experts say early detection and management is critical. For parents, the warning signs are trouble concentrating, neck pain, headaches and pain into the shoulders, ribs, arms and hands. We're all guilty of walking down the street glued to our screen from time to time. But what you might not be aware of is the strain this is putting on your neck. Chiropractors say a tilt forward of just 15 degrees in adults increases the neck load by 12 kilograms.
If a child is on a screen, an electronic device, and they're forward 60 degrees, that head can weigh up to 20 to 25 kilograms, and the neck muscles are holding the head up and under that strain. The devices are going to be around, they're not going away, we've got to adapt to how we use them.
Hannah Sinclair, 9 News.